All right, in this video, I'm going to go over the answer to the syllabus quiz. Obviously, to do this, you need to be able to find our syllabus. So if you weren't able to do that, just a couple spots where it's at. It's right here on our main page. If you scroll down a little bit, there's the syllabus. I'm trying to think if I put it anywhere else. Actually, it looks like that's the only spot. So hopefully you found the syllabus link there. All right, we can open it up here. And then the first question is, what type of calculator is recommended? And the answer to that is like a TI-80, like basically a graphing calculator, right? And the best are going to be TI-83 or 84. All right. I'm going to do the demos on like an 84 plus. So I'll do stuff in class, like I'll load it right on the screen and type it. So those will be the best is 83 or 84. They're really similar. As long as they're TI-83 or 84, you should be good. If you have like a different graphing calculator, it might be trickier because I'm not going to demo on those. I'm just going to use that. If you don't have one, you can use Desmos, but you can't use that on a test. So try and track down one of the TI-83 or 84 for this class. Okay, so I guess we could take this TI-83 or 84. One classroom rule in your own words, all right? So I try to keep things simple and not try to have a ton of different rules. My main rule is to not distract learning, right? That's the main reason why we're in school is to learn. And so if one of your actions is going to distract you or a classmate or make it so that I can't teach, then you probably shouldn't be doing it. So if you're not sure, like, you take cell phones. Like, can I do my cell phone, right? Well, if you have, say, Doodle Jump playing on your cell phone in class, right? One, that's distracting you, and then two, the kids around you. There's a good chance, especially if you're a good Doodle Jump player, that they're going to be watching that. So, then then that's a distraction. So that give you your answer that you probably shouldn't be doing that because it's distracting learning. So that's pretty straightforward. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, what percent is based on tests? Okay, so tests are going to be 80% as they are in most of your classes. Okay, and then quizzes, I forget where this is in here. Oh yeah, so it's 80% summative and then 20% formative from quizzes and homework. And the next question also asks about like if you don't do any of the homework or quiz part, like what's the highest you can get? I think that's what that asks. Yeah, so what's the highest you can get? So the highest you can get would be an 80%. And then the highest grade, your 80% would be right around a B minus. And if you get anything even wrong on a test, then you'd be down to one of the lower grades. So even though it's only 20% for quizzes and homework, get them done. You need that to make sure your grades still okay. And in theory, it should be like a free 20%. As long as you're getting them done, you should get most of the points for that. Oops, I got that question on there twice. I'll delete it. Sorry about that. So retakes, all right. So as you know, at our school, you can retake pretty much any test, and the way it works for math is you get the higher of the two scores. So if you scored 75 the first time but retook it and then got a 73, you'd still get your higher score. Okay, so logging into the online book, I'll blast through that quick. There's a login right on our main page, so you just go to Rapid Identity, right, which hopefully you're getting good at, and then there should be a link here for Pearson. And yours might obviously look a little bit different than mine does. So it turns out I can't find Pearson in here, but hopefully at the start of school it's there somewhere. You just click on that and then open up the Algebra 2 textbook. So you're looking for the little icon, the e-text for Algebra 2, and open that. And then hopefully you can get that answer. I actually don't know the answer now because I don't have the ebook working. In class, you can actually use the paper book, so maybe I'll pause the video here and find your answer for the paper book. All right, so I dug out a paper book. Looks like the right answer for number 2 on page 30 would be negative 90. Okay, so the answer to this is you actually have 4 chances, 4 opportunities. If you are at home and want to do a live lesson, I'm going to try this. I'm hoping it works. I'll have more direction in a video later in today's lesson about this, but I just want to know you to know about it and know that you have 4 chances to do it. Okay, that should be it. Hopefully I'll get that Pearson Access Next up for the book for you. Any questions on this, please reach out. I'm not sure if I've mentioned or not in any of these videos. I forget where I'm at, but I did make a little spot for you to reach out with questions at all, and I'll just reply right in that blog if you have them. All right, thanks for watching.